Welcome back to our channel app tutorial. If you want to add a friend in your Steam account in PC but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So guys, the first step is to just open the app. Once you're here, you just need to look at these top options where you can see store, library, community, and your name. And under your name, there are options like activity, profile, and friends. So we just need to tap on friends. So once you're here, you can see all the friends that you have. And if you don't, or if you want to add some of the friends, then just look at this add a friend option right here. Just go ahead and tap there. So this is your friend code. So if you want to add a friend, you just need to enter your friend's code, and in this way you would be able to add friends. Or you could also send a quick invite. Just go ahead and copy this link and send them. They can directly be your friend through this link. So if you want to generate a new link, you can also do that. You can also try searching for your friend through their profile names, but the quickest one would be this link option. So guys, there you go. That's how you add a friend in Steam in PC. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.